Hello and welcome. You're watching News Now Overnight. I'm Munman Bhattacharya. Anna Hazare addressed his supporters, telling them to maintain complete calm. Team Anna accused the government of taking dual stance and backing out from the commitments they made yesterday. Union Law Minister Salman Khurshid told Times Now that the government was committed to dialogue.
सब संयम रखना है, भले मैं जेल में जाऊंगा परवाह नहीं। अरे जेल तो हमारी परंपरा है, इस देश की परंपरा है, सैकड़ों साल की। जेल में जाना ये भूषण होता है इंसान का, भूषण, ये दूषण नहीं। खून किया, मारामारी की, दरोड़ा डाल दिया तो वो जेल में जाता, वो दूषण है। अपने देश के लिए, समाज के लिए जो आदमी जेल में जाता वो उसका भूषण है, उसका अलंकार है, वो गहना है, वो उसका गहना होता है। तो मेरी विनती है सब जनता से, अगर सरकार मुझे उठाना चाहती है तो उठाओ, परवाह नहीं। लेकिन पूरे देश में, यहां पर भी, दिल्ली में भी कोई हिंसा मत करो। मुझे बड़ा दुख होगा हिंसा होने से मुझे बहुत बड़ा दुख होगा। मुझे सहा नहीं जाएगा हिंसा।
उन्होंने आपको मैसेज भिजवाया सीनियर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स की तरफ से कि जब तक, अब ये सुन लीजिए, ये विश्वास है और इस विश्वास को मैं समझती हूं, हमको जब तक ये विश्वासघात नहीं होता हम उनको बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट देंगे, हम विश्वास करेंगे। उन्होंने कहा है कि अन्ना को जब तक डॉक्टर लोग क्रिटिकल नहीं डिक्लेयर करते कि इनको अस्पताल की जरूरत है, हम अन्ना को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे। ये मेरे पास एसएमएस मैसेज आया है, तो अगर ये हमको मुझे इस पर विश्वास पर, इस एसएमएस पर ना विश्वास करने का कोई आधार लगता नहीं इस वक्त।
We are committed to take the dialogue forward so that the circumstances and conditions conducive to Anna breaking his fast and protecting his health could be assured. That's all we are working towards and have been working towards in the past 2 days. Frankly, my impression is that we haven't spent 2 days. I've spent the whole day today. I didn't go to my office. I spent the whole day today with them. They spent 3 hours with us in the morning, and then they spent another 2.5 hours with us in the evening. Now, I don't know where after that they get an impression that there's hardening of position on either side. I felt that we had a very meaningful and a very positive conversation, and we also brought to their notice that their comments yesterday after our meeting had not gone down well with some of our colleagues, and therefore it was advisable to hold their comments till such time as we move demonstratively forward, and therefore that's the position we are taking with the media. We had no reason to feel disappointed. We had a very good meeting, and I had expected that they also feel the same way. But the media utterances do seem to give a very different opinion, which is distressing to say the least. Well, I think the broadly what you're saying is in consonance with what the Prime Minister wrote to Anna ji yesterday. Also, I think it reflects the sense and understanding of the all-party meet that we had today. Certain modalities of, do you change the bill or you modify it or you withdraw it and introduce a new bill? These are all parliamentary procedures that can be worked on. But the spirit and substance of what you're saying is something that I think is consistent with what the Prime Minister's letter has said. And if this is the sense of a large number of people who want things to be resolved, I would imagine the government would certainly respond to it in a very positive manner. But it's certainly not for me here in a program to be able to give you a clear-cut commitment. But I can certainly say it sounds positive.